Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable release on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version, but the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser. Click on download Chrome. Then select .deb 64-bit .debian package for the Ubuntu. Then click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download started and its size is about 115 megabytes. Download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, CD downloads, ls. See here we have the Google Chrome stable current version. Install it, sudo dpkg-i Google. Then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome version 145. We have successfully installed. Now verify, show applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. If you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, keep the checkbox. Otherwise unselect it. And if you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. Then click on OK. See, you got the Google Chrome. Don't sign in. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore. I am removing it to clear the space. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome current stable release, that is 145 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.